Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important example related to Angular custom pipe, where we will build a custom pipe that will help us to hide the sensitive information of user. Suppose in your application you are holding the information like Aadhaar number or any identity number which is followed in your country. So in that case, what we will do, we have to take a proper precautions to hide those information from other users, right? Because this is sensitive information. Now to do such kind of masking of number, we will create one custom pipe that will help us to do this. Okay, so I think now this part is clear, like what we are going to build and how we are going to build, that I will show you. So I think now we are good to start, but just before starting the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic and to build the logic according to your requirement. Because for now we are just focusing on like how we are building the custom pipe, but prior to that you should know what is pipe, why do we need pipe, how we can use pipe, all these basic stuff. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Here you can see on HTML file we have one heading that shows Angular 19 course by Sharmit. After this we will put another heading that will show you the title of today's session, that is Angular custom pipe to mask number / hide sensitive, let me write it with capital H, hide sensitive information. Okay, so this is our agenda. Now with this heading it is clear that we are going to use the pipe. So to create the pipe, let's run the command ng serve, not serve, this is for run the application. We will write ng, that is for Angular, g generate, p pipe, and then the folder name, that is my pipes, / and then we will put the name of the pipe, that is mask num mask. Okay, let's give it as a name num mask, and then you can simply press enter. So once you press enter, it will take few seconds and then it will show you the new folder which provide with two files. One is num mask pipe spec.ts, which holds the basic information, and num mask pipe.ts. Okay, so this pipe like this is spec.ts, pipe.spec.ts. we are not going to touch this because this is something related to testing. Maybe in the later go we will use it, but for now we are not going to use it. Clear? So this is the one thing. Second thing, like here you can see we have this num mask pipe.ts that will hold the actual value that we are going to use. Now to make use of it, we have to firstly register this pipe. And to register this pipe, let's go to app.component.ts file, and here we have to put the name of the pipe, not this name but the complete name, num mask pipe. So let's go there and look for the component.ts file. Here you can write num mask and then it will automatically populate the complete name. Perfect. So once you press enter, it will show you that this line is added successfully. That means now you can utilize, now you can make use of it in your application. But what to do, like what we are going to do, we have created pipe, but how we will define the logic, what is our requirement, that to discuss this thing, let's go to app.component.html file, and here I will explain you the requirement. And to explain the requirement, we will put some comments over here, and in this comment section I will show you like what we are going to do. So suppose we have sample input like this, where we have number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let me break it, 3 4 5 6, something like this, 4 4. I just kept this space so that you can relate it when I mask this number. Okay, perfect. So we have this number, this continuate number. Okay, just ignore the space, this is a single number. Now in this number what we want to do, we want to mask it to hide the sensitive information, because suppose if this is a Aadhaar number, which is a common identity card in India. Similarly, you might have your own card in if you are watching it from some other country. So there are also like some identity numbers which we have to take care of, right? Now to mask this, after masking this, the output should come like this. It should come like this: 4 times asterisk for 1 2 3 4, then 4 times asterisk for 5 6 7 8, 4 times for 9 0 1 2, and the remaining last 4 numbers should be as it is 3 4 5 6. So this is the requirement of our today's task, that we have to create the numbers in this manner which will mask the initial numbers but keep the last 4 number as it is. Clear? So that user can identify, okay, this is my number or not. Clear? Perfect. Now next what we are going to do, the requirement is clear, so let's build the logic. Now to build the logic, we will go to num MaskPipe.ts file. Here we will write everything from scratch. So let's remove this part from here, and we will define one by one the required variables. So one thing is sure, that I'm going to receive the string, and number is also fine, but we will make it as strings because we are going to replace it with the asterisk. Okay. So now what we will do, like we have to simply write here the variable name original number, and the type would be string here. And remember, this is case sensitive, so if you're writing something with a small case, make sure to write it in that case only, otherwise it won't work. Okay. Then here we will return the value also as a string because we are going to add some asterisks. So that's why asterisk means that those stars. Okay, so this part is ready. Now let's remove this part from here because we have to write the logic here. Now, and one more variable. Yes, we need one more variable, that is visible digit, which will help us to find out like what all values we are going to show to user. So here I will type the define as number and store the information as of now as 4. Perfect. This is showing error because as of now we are not returning the string, that's why it is giving error, but when we return it, it will not throw any error. So let's define the const, and here I will give it as a name mask, then equal, then we will write here original number dot slice, and while slicing the numbers we will use 0 and then minus visible digit. Okay, and then we will replace this part because this is the section where we are going to hold all the numbers that we want to mask, and then we will replace it. So there is a replace method with a regular expression. Here we will put one regular expression slash dot slash, then a small g, then comma, and after this we will write here asterisk. Perfect. Now save it. So what this variable will do, it will help us to mask the unnecessary numbers, and then we will return the number in a very proper manner. So what you need to return, you need to return the masked portion which we just masked in a constant plus the value means the original number dot slice, not this, it should be dot slice, then parenthesis, then hyphen, and here I will write visible digits and then a semicolon. Perfect. So this is something that we are going to return from this application. Now let's verify the output. I hope this logic is clear, and if you don't know about the slice method, you can refer one of our session. You can find it in a Sharmit digital course book which is mentioned in the description. From there you can find all those free learning material and courses. Okay, so this is the thing. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to go to this app.component.html file, and here in this section we will simply remove this part, the extra space, and we will write paragraph, and in this paragraph we will write number, then with number without, not with, without pipe. Okay, so here I will just use the numbers without pipe just to show you like how it will work without pipe. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, similarly we will add the another paragraph that will hold number, but this time we will use pipe. Okay, and let me expand it properly. and here like we will use the colon. After a colon, double curly braces, we will put the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Numbers are same, but this time we will use the pipe, that is num mask, and save it. Now we will run the application. So ng serve -- open, enter, wait for a few seconds, and it will show you the output, which is like this, where we will get the two headings, that is Angular 19 course by TextureMath. Second heading shows Angular custom pipe to mask number and hide sensitive information. Then we have number without pipe is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in case of number with pipe, we have all initials as asterisk and the remaining last four numbers are as 3 4 5 6. Clear? So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TextureMath.